Hey guys, I wanted to show you a little case that I made for the Tello. It's made from a case that you can buy with tea, all different kinds of tea. See? So took some sandpaper and took off the original name and burned the Ryze Tello into it. And everything that I need for the Tello fits in here. So, see, Tello fits in here. This is the battery that I use for experiments. So everything fits in here. 2 batteries, one in the Tello itself, battery charger, it's a USB, Tello fits in here. You have an extra battery pack, fits in here. Below that I have the cable, little cable fits in here. Tello fits in here. Then in the back I have this repeater, and below that I even have some spare props. So everything fits in this little case. Pretty neat, huh? Okay, that's it.